Hi guys, welcome to Industrial CAD tutorials. In this Blender tutorial we are going to create a hard surface model. This is the interface of the Blender. You can observe this is the default cube. By this cube I want to develop a hard surface. We are in the object mode. Select the cube. Along the Z axis I am increasing the size. Along the Y axis by using the scale option. Along the Y axis I am decreasing the size. Again along the Z axis I am decreasing the size somewhat like this. Then one of the object is created here, you can observe. Then after I'm going to the edit mode and select the edge or any of the select, give the loop cuts like this, a number of loop cuts. Then go into the edge, select the edges. By using Ctrl B, bevel the object like this, all of the edges. Then the bevel is completed. Then after I want to go into the top view, front view, select the face, delete all of the faces on one side. Pressing on X, delete the faces. See, all of the faces are deleted on one side. Then after I want to create a loop cuts to create a circular object. Go into the edge, select again loop cut. I am assigning the loop cut here, horizontal and vertical loop cuts. Like this you can assign the loop cuts. Then after go on to the face, select and select the some of the faces you want to create the circle. For example, I'm selecting the sum of the faces like this and go on to the loop tools by clicking on right click and go to the circle and scale the circle size along the X, Y, Z as your wish like this. I want to do the process on both sides. You can observe I'm selecting these faces. Go to the loop tools, give the circle and X, and by using the Z axis I am giving a circle, reduce the size and extrude to outside by clicking on E command. Then after I want to scale the face to give a tapered object like this by using S option. Again I want to select these faces, same as previous what I done. You can see the two circular object is created by using this method. Then after I want to increase the loop cuts. Before that I want to give a shade smooth. You can see the objects the vertices are visible, the smooth object is not done. For to fix this I am going to the edit mode, go into the circle, give some of the loop cuts like this. Do the process here also, same as previous like this, and select the object on the object mode and shade smooth. Go to the object data properties, go to the normals, auto smooth. The smooth object is created, you can observe on the screen. Then after I want to create a loop cuts. Before that I am assigning the modifier to this subdivision surface, level ports to 4 and render to 4. You can see the object is somewhat, the surfaces are finishing is not good. For to fix it, simply increase the loop cuts. Go into the edit mode. Here I want to increase the loop cuts like this. You can observe the shape is changed. I want to increasing here also. Before that I want to add some of the loop parts. After I want to delete the half of the part of half of the object by selecting the object. By clicking on shift you can select the multiple faces. You can delete any of the process as your wish. You can see here also the curve form is not good. For to fix this, give the loop cut, give the single loop cut, and onto the edge. Loop tool, loop should move onto the edge. Here I want to create a loop cut, and after give the solid 5 to 0.02 thickness. You can see the object after giving the thickness somewhat here the shape is not good. For to fix this, of the two modifiers I will show here only, and go into the edit mode, edge select. On edge select, the one of the tool is there, knife topology tool. Simply drag the line like this and click on enter. You can see the edge is somewhat good here. Again do the same topology tool for to fix the all of the edges here also. Click on enter. I can see the somewhat good. For to fix this I am going to the edit mode, give the loop cut here and drag the loop cut onto the edge. See, the shape is good as compared to previous. Like this the loop cuts are very helpful. You want to see the statistics, go into the viewport overlay, go to the stats. You can observe the vertices, edges, and I want to give the loop cut here also. Here you can see after giving the loop cut these 2 points are not bisected here. For to fix this, select the edge and go into the connect vertex path like this. You can see on the both the vertices are same. You can give the loop cut here also. For to fix this, select the again do the same process, select the edge, select the 2 vertices by clicking on the vertex select, connect vertex path. Then see, all of the loop cuts are same on both sides, and increase the vertices here. Then after the object is, see the object, go to the wireframe, see the all of the vertices once are correct or not. And after it is looking good, then after going to the object mode, I want to add a modifier here. By selecting the object, go to the add modifier, give the mirror modifier to this for to mirror the same object on the bottom. Go to the axis and select the Z axis, and off the x axis. Along the Z axis only we should apply the mirror option. You can see I'm offing the wireframe. You can observe the object, and after you can scale the object along the y axis for to reduce the size like a case. You can see like this, you can create a object. Go into the edit mode and on the wireframe for to see the wireframe finishing. You can observe the topology is perfect. You can observe on the both sides. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video.